In this problem, we are asked to find the antiderivative of the function minus 1 times sine of x times cosine of x to the power 7. Let us integrate the function minus 1 times sine of x times cosine of x to the power 7. Actually, the function we have to integrate is a product of multiple functions. Notice that, it is essential to check if among these functions we have a function and its derivative. If this is the case, we can use the substitution method. Observe that, the derivative of cosine of x is minus 1 times sine of x. In sum, we set u equal to cosine of x, then du equal to minus 1 times sine of x. The integral of minus 1 times sine of x times cosine of x to the power 7, can be expressed as the integral of cosine of x to the power 7 times minus 1 times sine of x dx. We just have reordered the terms so as to easily identify u and du. Consequently, using the fact that u is cosine of x and du is minus 1 times sine of x dx, we can express this integral as the integral of u to the power 7, du. Actually, we have just replaced cosine of x to the power 7 by u to the power 7 and minus 1 times sine of x dx by du. Ultimately, the resulting expression is painless, to integrate using the standard integration table. We know from the standard integration table that the integral of u to the power 7 du is u to the power 8 over 8 plus the constant c. Thus, when we replace u by cosine of x in the previous equation, we obtain the value of the final expression of the antiderivative, which is the fraction cosine of x to the power 8 over 8 plus the constant c. Thank you for viewing this video. Please subscribe to our channel. We have an extensive collection of calculus-related videos covering limits, derivatives, integration, and many other calculus topics.